You look up and see dark spots forming on your ceiling. But when you check the attic or the roof, everything is bone dry. It's a baffling mystery for many homeowners. How can there be mold without a leak? The answer is almost always condensation, not a plumbing leak. Just like a cold glass of water sweats on a hot day, when warm, moist air inside your home hits a cold ceiling surface, it turns into liquid water, creating a perfect breeding ground for mold. This frequently happens in bathrooms and kitchens due to poor ventilation. If you take hot showers or cook without running an exhaust fan, the steam rises, settles on the cool drywall, and feeds mold spores that are naturally in the air. It can also be a sign of missing insulation in the attic. If a patch of insulation is moved or thin, that specific spot on the ceiling becomes freezing cold in the winter. This cold bridge pulls moisture right out of the room's air, creating a wet spot that mimics a leak. Finally, check your overall humidity. If your home holds too much moisture, usually over 60%, mold can actually grow on the dust particles clinging to the ceiling paint, even without any direct water source. Mold on the ceiling is a sign that your home's environment is out of balance. Don't let it spread. For professional mold inspection and remediation, contact Gold Coast Flood Restorations.